Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you exactly how to use the revamped Siri with text and voice input in iOS 18. First, open the settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on Siri to check your Siri settings and ensure everything is properly set up. After that, go back to the settings menu and tap on accessibility. Next, scroll down and tap on Siri under the accessibility section. Here, make sure the type to Siri option is turned on. This will allow you to interact with Siri using text instead of just voice. Now go back to the Siri settings. Tap on Talk to Siri and choose whether you want to activate Siri by saying either Siri or Hey Siri. Once you've selected your preferred activation method, tap on Continue to confirm and set up Siri. After the setup is done, return to your home screen. Now you can start using the revamped Siri with both text and voice input. You can speak to Siri by saying Hey Siri or use the side button to type your commands directly to Siri. For example, you can ask Siri to set an alarm, send a message, or perform any other task by either typing or speaking. This new Siri setup gives you the flexibility to use voice input when it's convenient or switch to typing when you prefer a quieter option. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.